In this video, I'll show you how you can change the language of your Spotify. Now this is super simple guys, so let's get straight into it. First, what you want to do is just open up your Spotify, and from in here you want to click on your icon, go to settings, and you'll come to this page. From in here you have the option to select a new language, and you can select from all of these languages. Now once you've selected a new language, what you want to do is simply restart your Spotify, and your Spotify will now be in the new language. Now, there's also the option to do the explicit content one. Now, if you turn this off, what it will do is you will only play songs with no cuss words and those kind of songs. So if you want to change that kind of language, you also have the option to do that right here. Now, I like to have mine on because I don't really care about that stuff, but that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.